Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a Space Invaders game. So let me show you how it is. Right arrow and left arrow keys to move, space to shoot your bullets, and you can see if you shoot an enemy, the score will increase by 1. If an enemy is below here, it will decrease by 1. If you touch the enemy, you lose and it'll stop everything. So let's make it. First things first, delete the scratch cards. Make a new sprite. We'll choose a sprite. And we will search rocket and then click this rocket ship here. Go to costumes, and then we only want this costume here, we don't want the others, so let's delete it. So now we're going to stage. We're going to choose a backdrop, and then we'll go to space, and then pick this stars backdrop here. There you go. So let's go to the rocket ship. We'll start with when green flag clicked. We go to forever loop. You'll go to X by 0, and then the Y to like, let's say, -135. Looks, we'll set the size, let's say 50. There you go. And then go to control, if, sensing, key, right arrow pressed, then we will go to motion. We'll change X by 8. Then we'll duplicate this. We will go to left arrow, and then -8. So as you can see, you can move left and right, just like that. So now you want to make a shooting bullet. We'll make a new sprite, we'll paint it. And then we'll name it bullet. We'll zoom in. We'll take the line to 3 size. And then let's just draw a simple bullet. So yes. Yeah. Then we'll select this. We'll fill it with a yellow color, and then we'll place it in the middle. So there you go. Now let's go to code. When green flag clicked, we'll hide it because we're going to make clones. And then forever, if, sensing, key space pressed, Then we will create clone of myself, and then we'll wait 0.5 seconds, and then when I start as a clone, we will, let's say, go to rocket ship. We'll show it first. We'll go to back layer so you can't see it, and then control, repeat until. We'll take an OR block. We'll go to sensing, touching, edge, or we'll leave this first, and then we will change Y by 20, and control, we'll delete this clone. So let's say, press space, and there you go. You can shoot with your rocket ship. So now let's make the enemy. We'll choose a sprite. We'll go to fantasy. What should we pick? It doesn't matter what sprite you pick. I will pick this Gobo. Costumes. We'll delete these two. And then I will draw an angry face, like an evil face, like that. Then let's go to code, to the bullet first, or touching Gobo. So let's go to Gobo. When green flag clicked, we will hide it. Then forever. First we'll wait 3 seconds, wait 1 second. Create clone of myself. When I started as a clone, we'll go to X, operators, pick random to say -230, and then 230. Then Y is 180, and then we'll show it. So now we'll do a repeat until block, repeat until, operators, an OR block, touching, rocket ship, or touching bullet. We'll make another OR. We'll put one here. Let's say this sign, the less than sign, motion, the Y position is less than -179. So let's put that in, and then we'll change Y by -5, and control, delete this clone. So you can see, oh, I've got something. We'll go to looks. He's too big like that. Let's say, how about 50? Yep, that'll work. 50. So you can see that There you go. You have something cool here. Oh, there's some glitch there, so we'll fix that. So we'll go to if touching bullet, then we will delete this clone, because if you don't do this, sometimes it'll glitch, so if you shoot, the Gobo doesn't die. So let's go to the bullet, and then control, if touching Gobo, and we'll go to variables, make a variable, I'll say score, and then at the first we'll set score to 0, and when touching Gobo we'll change the score by 1. So let's go to Gobo first. Okay, so let's duplicate this. If touching rocket ship, then we'll go to control, we'll stop all. I think that's it. Let me check. So now you can see you can shoot and the score does increase. Oh, one more thing. Let's go to Gobo. You have to decrease the score by -1 if he touches the bottom here. So we'll fix that. We'll duplicate this if block, and then we'll move that out. Duplicate this, and then we will go to variables, change score by -1. So let's see again. You can move, shoot the Gobo, I'll go by 1. It's a little fast. And there you go. That's it for this video today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.